Iman says, what's the ruling on making paper animals? I mean, origami. If I understand this correctly, origami is a form of art where they bring folded papers and they cut it with scissors in a certain fashion, and then when they open it, it gives the portrait of a person or an animal or a tree or a form of art. So what's the ruling on that? If it is a living creature such as a human being, an animal, a fish, a bird, these living creatures that have a soul must not be portrayed, drawn, or sculptured. So if this origami is a sculpture that has the 3D shape of an animal, this is totally prohibited, even if there were no facial features. But if it's a 2D, it's a one side, it's like one paper, not a statue or a structure without any facial features, this seems to be permissible, inshallah azza wa jal.